Hi guys, today it's me Marcus and today I'm going to be pranking my dad. He loves to smoke, so he always smokes inside the house, but he sprays. He smokes here in the bathroom here. So what I'm gonna do is stealing the smoke. And I know it's bad health, so I'm gonna hide it. And I'm gonna never reveal it. So let's find a place where to hide it. Okay guys, so we're going outside. And I really have to make sure that this is gonna be the best hiding spot ever. Like, I did it many times. And then he started screaming and shouting so loud. Like, this is not important. Like, this is bad. This is bad for your health. Wait, should I just dig it somewhere? Because I'm gonna dig it here. Or somewhere like he's not going to notice. So I'm going to dig it with my feet. Put that ugly cigarette there and close. Where I think it's too obvious. It should be deeper, like somewhere there, here. Wait. This is a really good and best spot ever. Hope he's not looking at the window. Okay, let's hide it there, guys. There's 2 cigarettes in there. And let's hide it. I hate my dad smoking. OMG. I literally forgot that there was a CCTV camera here. But it's lucky because he doesn't even have a CCTV camera app, so he's never gonna see it. Daddy, buti hindi. Daddy, at least you're not, hindi ka na you're not sigarilyo na sa CR. Why?
Masig na yung dibdib ko.
Oh.
Sana naman.
Alin ba?
Diyan lang yun.
Maniwala man, di ko tinatago yun. Ay! Sabi mo, hindi ka magsisigarilyo.
Hindi ka sa labas ako.
Bigay mo na yun. Bakit tinapon mo na?
Ayoko nga, it's not healthy. Sige, if you want, find it. Why are you so addict ba? Why are you so addict at sigarilyo ba? Oh, why are you so addict? What are you finding ba?
Lumabas yan siya eh. Baka pinapon niya.
Oy!
Diyan lang yun eh.
Hindi ko talaga yung tinapon. Oy, baka nung nagwawali si Ate Jing, nahulog, tinapon. Baka nga nung nagwawali si Ate Jing, nahulog, biglang tinapon. Hindi bibigyan kita ng clue. Malapit kung saan linibing si Molly. Bakit pinagsasasabi mo, Ate Jing? Ha?
Sabi na yun, hindi man
Oo, bibili ko niya.
Daddy, you need to find it. Daddy, if you want it, you need to find it. Para ma-exercise ka. May nanay to buy a new one. I have to stop. Don't buy! Wag mo siya utusan. Kailangan, he needs to survive a day with no smoke. Di ba, hindi na ba yung healthy? Lika na, uwi na tayo. Sigarilyo, and it's not healthy. Prank to. Kailangan to sa video ko sa YouTube, okay? Naman, wag na kayo bumili. Ito talaga sinasabi ko, te. Wag na kayo bumili. Burahin mo yan. Kasi ang init-init, maglalakad pa kayo, kawawa naman kayo. Ay, hindi, uwi na. Hindi nga tayo kailangan mapagalitan. Kung papagalitan, nalaban naman tayo, di ba? Ay, anong pangit? Hindi nga tama yung ginagawa ni Daddy. Guys, we're gonna wait here for like a minute. So if he goes down, he's gonna tell my nanny if she already bought a new cigarette. And then she would say no, and then And then it will be so fun. I think he will start yelling so loud.
Kaya, bakit kakampi niyo siya? Hindi naman yon. Masamang utos yon. Hindi ko na kasi, wag. Hindi yun pwede. Kasi naman, naglakad pa kayo Bigay mo na yon.
I'm trying to save his life. I'm not gonna tell.
Natural, kaya niya naman mabuhay nang walang sigarilyo
Oy!
Hindi, para nga maging mas healthy. Hahanapin mo lang talaga dyan? O gusto mo na siya magsigarilyo lang? Sige, hanapin mo talaga dyan. Kung dyan ang alam mo, dyan mo hanapin. Kinain na daw ni Nugget. Kinain daw ni Nugget. Hindi makahinga. Ayaw niya! Umiiyak! Ha? Saan? Ano ayoko? Mainit? Ang init-init?
Okay guys, that's the end of the video. Bye!